So over here, I am in a Google Classroom right here as a student. And let's say I see these particular posts right here. And I want to make a comment. Let's say I want to go around and ask a query right here. Dear teacher, I'm just going to go around and say like this. And let me just go around and bold it out as well. And I want to ask, let's say, for example, may I know what these videos are for? So I'm just going to go around and then send out a comment right here. And this is how you can go around and add in a class comment. And you can go around and add in as many comments as you want. So let me just go around, get out of the student view, and over here I am in the teacher view right here. And in the teacher view you can see that you have this comment right here. You also get an email regarding this that someone commented on your particular classroom post, so you easily know like who you have a comment. So now what you can do is you can go around and reply to this particular comment right here as a teacher. So you can see that I can go around and tag this particular person right here, or I can simply remove this out. But if I were to do this, then they will be notified, and I can go around and say these are regarding Google Docs, and I suggest that you go through them before the next class right here, just like this. So I can go around over here, and then let me just go around and italicize it, let's say, for example, and hit the send button. So once I do that, what happens is that I will be replying to that particular comment, and there is two class comments, as you can see. So now in the student view as well, you can you'll be able to see that particular reply. So let me just go around and refresh this because it is not showing up right here. But as soon as I do over here, I will be able to see the comment right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. That is how you can add and reply to the comments in announcements inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.